Hi friends, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where science turns into stories you can feel and remember. Stay with us. Today we're diving into a wild question. Can an AI actually be your doctor? Sounds like science fiction, right? But scientists just put a super smart AI to the test, giving it real medical exam questions that doctors have to pass to get their license. And guess what? The AI crushed it. It scored higher than many humans. But here's the catch. When real doctors checked the AI's answers, they found some serious problems. Some answers were confusing, some just plain wrong, and a few could actually be dangerous if someone followed them. So the AI was good at picking answers, but not so proud at understanding what those answers really mean. And honestly, doesn't that sound a bit like people sometimes? We've all met someone who sounds confident, but doesn't really hear themselves. Their facts don't match their explanations, especially when emotions or tough decisions are involved. Researchers didn't stop there. They retrained the AI with clearer instructions and better examples. They got smarter, but even the best AI still can't match a real doctor's judgment. Here's the real deal. Medicine isn't just facts and figures. It's about understanding people, their fears, their stories, their lives. So would you trust an AI that knows the right answers but doesn't truly understand you? Drop your thoughts below. Want the full story? It's all in the original article. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and see you next time.